Yes, children. What is this? Mango. Mango is in which color? Yellow color. Mango is also known as national fruit. Mango is also known as national fruit. One more I will show you. What is this? Tiger. Tiger is in which color? Yellow color. What is this also known as? National animal. Okay? It is also known as national animal. Some more you tell me children what is the color and yellow color objects? Lemon, banana, sun, flower. Some flowers will be in yellow color. Okay. Next, what is the shape of the month? The shape of the month is cube. The shape of the month is cube. It look like square. It look like square. Yes, children, you can see here. See children, what is this? Actually, this is a cube, but in front, when you are seeing, it look like a square. All sides are equal. A square has all sides are equal. Four sides are equal. See children, four sides are equal. When you are turning, it is thick in size. It look like a square. Okay? Yeah, next. What is the concept of the month, children? The concept of the month is tall, short. Tall, short. Yes, I will show you objects here. Yes, very good. Which is tall? Which is short? Yes, this is tall. This is short. This is tall. This is short. See children, you can see here. Yes, this is tall and this is short. Okay children? Yes, very good. Next, what is the enquiry of the month? The enquiry of the month is fat jump. The enquiry of the month is fat jump. Children, now let's start with the new rhyme. Okay children? Yes, do the actions with me. Sunflower, sunflower, yellow and bright. Sunflower, sunflower, yellow and bright. Looking up at the sunlight. Looking up at the sunlight. Sunflower, sunflower, yellow and round. Sunflower, sunflower, yellow and round. The tallest flower that can't be found. The tallest flower that can't be found. Children, after completing the circle time, we start with MA written. Today I am going to teach you how to write numbers from 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Look at the board children, how I am writing here. Yes. Standing line 1, standing line 1, 1, 1, 11, 1, 1, 11. Standing line 1, down curve, standing line, sleeping line 1 to 12, 1 to 12. Standing line 1, right curve, one more right curve, 1, 3, 13, 1, 3, 13. Standing line 1, standing line 1, standing line, sleeping line, standing line 1, 4, 14, 1, 4, 14. Standing line 1, sleeping line, standing line and right curve. 1, 5, 15, 1, 5, 15. Yes. Standing line 1, curve and small circle. 1, 6, 16, 1, 6, 16. Standing line 1, sleeping line and slanting line. Okay, 1, 7, 17. Next, standing line 1, right curve and left curve and then join. Okay children, 1, 8, 18. Standing line 1, circle, then standing line 1, 9, 19. Then children, down curve, slanting line and sleeping line. Again I will show you here. Down curve, slanting line and sleeping line. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Okay children, like this you need to write the 11 to 20. Okay, like this every number should touch the line. Every number, see every number is touching the line. After the numbers children, let's go for the number name 2. Number name 2. See children how I am writing on the board. See, down curve, slanting line, then sleeping line. 2, small dash, capital letter T. Why? Because starting letter should be capital. Capital letter T, small letter W and O. TWO 2. 2 hyphen TWO 2. After this children, I will show it in the square rule book. See children, I will show it on the square rule book. First you need to write the today's date. Today's date is 1/9/19. We are in the month of June and we are in the year of 20. Okay, 2020. See children how I am writing. First you need to write numbers 11 to 20. Then 11. After writing one box you need to leave 2 box. Then you start again 2 box. Then you start. Okay, like this. I will show it now. See, one box you need to leave down also. Okay, see I am writing standing line 1, standing line 1, 1 1 11. Then see children, first we will start with 11. Standing line 1, standing line 1, 1 1 11. Next standing line 1, down curve, slanting line 2, 1 2 12, 1 2 12. Next standing line 1, right curve 1 3 13. Standing line 1, standing line, sleeping line, standing line 1 4 14. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line and curve 1 5 15. Standing line, curve and circle. Okay, curve and circle. You need to touch the line. Okay children, yes. Standing line 1, sleeping line, slanting line 1 7 17. Standing line 1, left curve and right curve and then join 1 8 18. Next standing line 1, circle and standing line 1 9 19. Down curve, slanting line, sleeping line 2. Next circle 2 0 20. 2 0 20. Like this you need to write in. You need to leave 2 boxes, then you start here. You leave 2 boxes, then you start here. See children, like this you need to complete the whole page. Okay, leave 2 boxes, then you write. Then 2 leave boxes and you need to write. It should not go out of the box. Okay, every number should touch the boxes. Like this you need to write in the square rule book children. See children, now I will show you how to write number name 2. First you write the date, today's date, classwork, number name 2. Okay children, you need to leave one box and you need to continue like this. Okay, I will show you. Down curve, slanting line, sleeping line. Then capital letter T, small letter W, then O. Okay, TWO 2. Then down, slanting line, then sleeping line, then dash. T capital letter, W small letter, then O. Okay, like this you need to write whole page. See children, like this you need to complete the whole page. After writing one number name, then you leave the, after writing 2, you need to leave the box. Again like this, one by one you need to leave one box and you need to complete whole page children in the square rule book. Okay. See children, this is your math book. Okay, early math book C. Okay children, early math book C. This is your maths book. You need to write the numbers here. See children. See, in the page number 4, you need to trace the numbers children. From 1 to 10. You need to trace the numbers and you need to fill here. Okay, from 1 to 10. Okay children, from 1 to 10. Page number 4. In page number 4. Again, in page number 9 children. See here. In page number 9, you need to trace the numbers from 11 to 20. I taught you today, no? From 11 to 20. Just you need to trace the numbers and you need to fill up the boxes children. Okay? Numbers. You need to fill up the numbers here from 11 to 20. Okay children? Yes. Now you understood? I'll end up the session children. You don't go out. Be at home. Bye children.